Hello there. Welcome to our farm. Well, folks, today we're taking you along for a day of haymaking here in Northern Europe. Around here, the weather decides everything, and when the sun is shining, it's time to get to work. Today, we're putting our old 1988 Massey Ferguson 290 to work. With 80 horsepower and decades of experience behind it, this old tractor is still earning its place on the farm. This season, we set a goal to produce hay from 24 hectares of our own fields. The front 3-point hitch on the Massey helps us save time and fuel when traveling the 8-kilometer distance. To spread and dry the hay, we're using a 4.8-meter Dutch-made tedder. It's a simple but reliable piece of equipment. And here you can see the result. I don't know about you, but I especially enjoy days like this out in the field making hay. There's something about the smell of hay that takes you right back to childhood. We also have several small bale trailers that make transporting hay much easier. Sometimes the storks join us in the field, following the tractor and looking for frogs disturbed by the work. This is our rotary hay rake. It's 3.5 meters wide. Here in Estonia, haymaking bales is often more of a passion and a hobby for small farmers. It's something we do more for the soul than for the profit. This is our haymaking setup. Here you can see our Welger small square baler with a single-axle trailer attached behind it. The Welger is one of the best balers of its time. It's a machine you can trust and depend on without a second thought. This year we used a Belarus tractor to run the baler. A friend also came out to the field to check on our progress and see how haymaking was going. We always have someone riding on the trailer to help stack the bales neatly as they come off the baler. When the trailers are full, we bring the hay back to the shelter. Safety comes first. It's important to make sure we're visible and noticed in traffic. These white nights of Northern Europe, especially around midsummer, are something truly special. It's something you have to experience yourself. To store our hay bales, we use a large barn where they can stay dry and protected. Backing up a trailer like this is not as easy as it looks. However, there are also horse farms that really appreciate our work and are happy to buy larger quantities of our hay. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next year.